Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of DH. Get you go to settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of app or apps, you will search about DHgate like this. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will click on Wi-Fi, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again, so please don't forget to support